To all the lovely brothers and sisters outside Ghana and in Ghana, everywhere you find yourself, this is your lovely brother Asitanga Joseph Atewini, aka Commander One, speaking from Ghana. I just want to share some experience with all the networkers across the world. Yeah, today is a day I want us to share some experience concerning about how the world is changing, concerning about how the technology changes now, because we can see that the technology changes everywhere. The technology changes in a way that people are now using the online to make money, to make life better, to become financially free everywhere. If you are in Ghana or maybe you find yourself outside Ghana, it is good for you to understand how the technology change now. Why am I still talking about technology? You can see how the world has changed. You can see how people come out with experience. They're able to come out with WhatsApp, with Twitter, with Instagram, with all the social media platforms, whereby people can market products online, whereby people can communicate online, whereby people can entertain themselves online. And you can see how the world is changing now. And even our country, Ghana, we are changing things, because I can see that Ghana is going to introduce something we call cryptocurrency. I believe many people, some people are there, they don't understand when we talk about cryptocurrency, they don't understand how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is allowed for each and everyone to use to buy things online, buy and sell of goods and services online. So it is now that the technology is changing, and we need to also change as the technology is changing. So today I am going to talk mostly about cryptocurrency, because Ghana is changing things. Bank of Ghana now is coming out with their own cryptocurrency called ECD coin. Unbelievable, so amazing. And I'm very happy to be in Ghana, and I can see now things are going to change. Within 2 years, I believe Ghana is going to change like never before. Things will change. Whatever we never see is what we are going to see. So people who don't believe in network marketing, people who don't believe in cryptocurrency business, I am telling you outside there, I'm talking to you, the one listen to me, that it is good for you to understand the world is changing. It is good for you to understand how the cryptocurrency is changing things. Imagine when the cryptocurrency, we have them different currencies. Example like Bitcoin. Example like Ethereum, like other new currencies that is coming out now. Things are changing, because people who get to know cryptocurrency at the beginning, today they are millionaires. Look at when the Bitcoin started, 2009, long time ago. You can see now, one Bitcoin price is now how much? It's about 40,000 plus US dollars. So if you understand how to invest your money in cryptocurrency, you are going to make money online. You are going to become financially free within short period of time to come. So it is a platform whereby we can buy them, to hold them and sell for some time, because the value of the currency increases. And Ghana going to introduce cryptocurrency. I'm very happy for that, because I can see immediately it comes, the value of it will be increasing. So people who don't understand, if you know you are in Ghana, you can be a government worker, you can be a teacher, a nurse, a doctor, whoever. Whatever you are doing, it is good for you to find yourself into the system, because it is something that is going to change many people's life. If you see my YouTube channel, Commander One TV, try your best and subscribe the channel, because there will be a lot of updates, a lot of new things that is coming into this channel. Going to educate the people how to make money online, how to use your phone and make money online. It is time for us to rise up and also change the technology, so that things will change for us. If you doesn't understand how the Bitcoin value increases, or maybe how the cryptocurrency works, it is good for you to find out now and make sure you also find yourself there, because the value of it keep on increasing. Because when we look at the blockchain, inside the blockchain, look at how it started. The value of it keep on rising up. When the Bitcoin started with a value of even less than $1, $1 2009, today one Bitcoin price is how much? It's about 40,000 US dollars plus. Guys, so people who already get to know about this and they started the business at the beginning, they started investing their money on this, they are making money online now. So it is time for us to also open our eye and also use this opportunity to make money, because our country has accepted the currency and it will be live soon by September. So it will be good for you to start now getting experience about how to also invest your money there, how to also save your money online, then you can make money. So I really thank you all much. I love you all.